how to get your real world affiliate link. I've had a few people ask me this now, so I thought I'd just make a video to go over it real quick. First of all, you do have to be a member of the real world before you can get your link. Might not be exactly what you want, but it is what it is, and it's worth joining regardless, so I don't mind it. Now, what you want to do once you've joined and you're inside, head up to your little profile picture, click on your profile pic, and then you want to click on settings and head down to refer a friend. Here you'll see the link to the landing page and the direct link to the checkout. It's up to you which one you want to send people to. I usually just send people to the landing page, but it doesn't make much of a difference. And so that's how you get your link if you want to share it and earn affiliate commissions. If you want to have a look at your dashboard, click the Open My Dashboard. In here you can see all your stats, recent referrals. You can see I got 5 referrals here. Big thanks to everyone who signed up using my link. I really appreciate that. I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comment for anyone that wants to sign up. If you have any troubles, I have another video on my channel. It's a step-by-step walkthrough, so feel free to check that one out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. As usual, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.